Joe, your take on the market here? I mean, with the S&P at 4,700 and us nearing a record close?
Yeah, I think you could define the market environment as a tranquil one. We're coming up on 20-plus days now without a 1% move in either direction for the S&P 500. So I think a lot of that, Morgan, is just predicated overall on optimism. Optimism surrounding the economy, optimism surrounding the consumer's ability to resiliently continue to spend in the face of rising inflation. And corporate behaviors. We have corporate buybacks now that are approaching the 2018 all-time high at $1.1 trillion, and we'll exceed that before the end of the year.
Yeah, speaking of the consumer, two big retail names out with earnings before the bell today. Home Depot posting a beat on EPS revenue and same-store sales. That stock rallying on the strong numbers, higher by nearly 6%, leading the Dow higher today. It's trading at a new all-time high. But a different story for Walmart, which is moving in the opposite direction despite strong results there as well. That company beat on the top and bottom line, saw same-store sales top estimates. It also raised its full-year guidance, and yet shares of Walmart are trading down 2%. Joe, I mean, a year-to-date chart of Walmart, it looks like a roller coaster ride, and now it's under pressure again today. Why?
Well, I think it's because the business strategy for Walmart is really to think about the customer first, and they have an unwillingness to pass through the price increases to the customer. So you're in that environment, you're going to see a contraction in gross margins. That's exactly what occurred in this earnings report. Inventory levels, Morgan, they're healthy. They're up 11%, so that bodes well for the upcoming holiday season. But I think for Walmart, it's a wait-and-see story. Your better option is Costco. And let's remember something. Walmart is a consumer staple. I know a lot of people like to make the comparison to Target. We're not talking about consumer discretionary here. We're talking about Walmart being in consumer staples. The comp is Costco. Costco's at an all-time high. They're passing through rising costs to the customer, and the customer's coming back and paying it. Therefore, the lack of contraction in margins.